Jeff Kelderman here, Kelderman Trucks. Today we got this 2024 Ford F-250 Platinum. Let me tell you what, this truck checks all the boxes. This is actually the truck we use in-house for R&D. So we used this truck to design our new 2 to 3 inch kit, which included our new radius arms. And also we used it to design our new 3H system that allows us to keep the spare tire. And then we also designed a new hitch system that's going to allow you to carry a 37-inch spare tire. Front bumper is our Delta series. This is our standard textured powder coat black. We've got black monster hooks. We've got our 20-inch rigid Midnight Series center light, and we've got a pair of 4-inch lights in the wing. The front suspension is our 3-inch kit. This is the first 3-inch kit we built. It's got our new radius arms on it. We push our axle ahead 3 inches so these 37 by 12 by 22 inch Toyos don't rub here. You figure the combination of having the extra clearance here with our front bumper, that gives us plenty of room to be able to turn without these tires rubbing. The rims we're running are 22-inch American Force. We also got our Raptor shocks on the front here. Our air ride controls are 3H. The rear suspension is actually our stock height 4-link. We just run the bags a little bit taller. You still get an optimum ride. You know, we got our large sway bar, and we've got our Raptor shocks. Towing with this thing is awesome. I've been out to South Dakota twice with this thing, over 4,000 miles pulling the race car trailer, and I tell you what, it rides like a dream. The rear bumper is our Delta series, just like the front. We've got our Kelderman textured black powder coat, black monster hooks. We got a pair of 4-inch rigids for backing up. So come around here, there's a couple new things we got going on here is we've got a new hitch here, and this hitch is designed to work with our new 3H system that we've got underneath it. What it does is it allows us to keep spare tire. Totally different design. It allows us to keep our 30, now we have a 37-inch spare tire. Obviously, if you have a stock tire or a 35-inch, that works well too. But this hitch is designed to be bigger, robust, be able to slide that 37 in there. So now I'm able to, run out in the middle of South Dakota. You got a spare tire on you. And the other thing is, the reason we want to get the spare tire under here is before we'd have to put the 3H either here back where you would lose your spare tire, or we put it on the side of the frame. But you put it on the side of the frame, you don't get a big tank. So we've got a big Titan in here, 55-gallon tank. We got the perfect package here. So when I say check all the boxes, we've got an air ride suspension lift kit. We got our 37-inch tires with 22-inch American Force wheels. We got our 55-gallon fuel tank, and we got our spare tire. So when we hook on, we go with our trailer. We can go for days. You got no worries. Thanks again for watching our video. We really appreciate it. You can follow us on our social media platforms listed right here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Most importantly, hit that bell so you won't miss another video. If you want to watch our last video, click on the link in the description below. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.